In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Facebook Marketplace access. First, open the Facebook app or go to the Facebook website, then sign in to the account you want to use with Marketplace. Make sure you're using the correct account from the beginning because Marketplace access is tied to that specific profile. Once you're logged in, look for the Marketplace icon, which usually appears as a small storefront symbol. If you don't see it right away, open the menu and check the list of shortcuts to see whether Marketplace is available there. Sometimes the option is visible, but just not pinned to the main navigation. If Marketplace still isn't showing, the next thing to do is make sure your account is eligible. Your Facebook account needs to meet Facebook's Marketplace requirements, be located in a country or region where Marketplace is supported, and remain in good standing without restrictions. If any of those conditions aren't met, access may not appear. After that, verify your account details. Confirm your email address and phone number, make sure your account uses your real name and accurate information, and add a profile picture if you haven't done that yet. A more complete and authentic looking profile can help avoid limitations and makes your account appear more trustworthy to Facebook systems. Next, update the Facebook app. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Facebook, and install the latest update if one is available. Using an outdated version of the app can sometimes prevent newer features, including Marketplace, from displaying properly. You should also check whether there are any account restrictions. In Facebook, go to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. From there, open Account Status or the support inbox and review any notices related to your account or Marketplace. If Facebook has placed a limitation on your profile, this is often where you'll find the reason. If your Marketplace access has been removed, open Marketplace and look for an option such as Request Review or Appeal. If it's available, follow the on-screen instructions and submit your request carefully. Another simple fix is to log out of Facebook, wait a few minutes, then log back in and check again. This can refresh your session and sometimes restore missing features. You can also try accessing Facebook from another phone, tablet, computer, or browser. That helps you figure out whether the issue is related to your device rather than your account. Finally, if the problem is temporary and caused by a Facebook technical issue, you may simply need to wait. In some cases, Marketplace access returns automatically after a little time, and that's how to get Facebook Marketplace access.